Checking my email, checking my email, checking my email. Dear Mr. Bad, how do you know if someone's butt is stupid? I mean, is there like some kind of IQ test? Crapfully yours, Tyler. Oh, come on, Tyler. Don't you remember your algebra, man? It's called the transitive butt property. And it clearly states that the stupidity of somebody's butt is greater than or equal to the stupidity of that person's head. So, take our friend Homestar Runner for instance. Look at his stupid head. Look at how stupid his head is. Okay, so you can easily infer from this that because he has such a stupid head, that easily his butt is going to be at least as stupid, if not stupider. So there you have it. Okay, so until next time, on a scale from 1 to awesome, I'm super great.